Our leaders fought for freedom for all, but you want the freedom to walk up at night and walk through certain passages all to yourself. You have the hungry gunman in the street. You didn't just take my wallet or my cell phone, my clothes. You robbed me of my self-confidence as a man. God created and instructed men to cultivate and protect. But if I can't even protect myself, am I even worth it to be called a man? You are the hungry gunman. I hate you. But each and every morning, I pray to you. I pray to God so that He can take away your hunger. And maybe you will put that gun away. I pray to you. And you bear faith that I come into that moment.